Hi, this is Work Based at Home, and thanks for tuning into my channel, your Work at Home Resources. And I hope you guys are having an amazing Wednesday today so far. Now, I have another position I wanted to show you guys today. It's with Liberty Mutual Insurance. Now, I featured a video with different positions before. Now, this position is a remote licensed customer service representative. Now, I'm going to read this briefly. The remote licensed customer service representative provides timely, accurate, and responsive information and service to policyholders and agents for a division of personalized products, plans, and programs. Independently solve problems related to policies within the scope and escalate others as appropriate, identifies, analyzes, and owns customer policy needs to ensure high customer satisfaction, growth, and retention of business. Now, here it has paid training. Mandatory attendance is critical to your success. As such, is required for the duration of training. Performance will be continually assessed throughout. Now, the paid training is Monday through Friday between 9 a.m. and 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 40 hours per week for approximately 8 weeks. Now, after training, onboarding is completed, go forward shifts will typically be between the hours of 1:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. On one weekend day, Saturday or Sunday, will be required with an alternate day off midweek. Now, here, let me just go here to the responsibilities. Now, the responsibility of the position provides exceptional customer service by responding promptly to all inbound calls regarding personal lines, policies limited by one, build rapport with each customer, listens to customers' requests and inquiries, works to retain policies who inquire about canceling auto policies through opening, listening, negotiating, and policy review of customer issues. So it's some retention here. Escalates to appropriate team if necessary. Processes policyholder transactions accurately and within customer response center. Establish time standards. Interprets policy contracts to ensure based on expected knowledge of personalized auto products, identifies, understands, and interprets customer needs to implement resolutions and makes recommendations for coverage enhancements. Now here, going down further, understands aspects of billing systems as it pertains to policy coverage, identifies and communicates transaction and input to policy premium, escalates and makes decisions regarding exceptions to payment plan and fees, makes alternate payment arrangements with customers, interacts with billing system to reflect arrangements, places policy in follow-up and ensures adherence to arrangements simplified, manages and utilizes time effectively to enhance department meets required service levels for improved customer satisfaction results. Proficiently utilizes online reference materials related to ILO policies to provide confident, accurate, and efficient. Now, coming further, develops and maintains product, procedure, and technical systems knowledge, completes licensing and continuing education requirements. So you will be required to complete your licensing and continuing education here that is advising you guys. Actively participates and leads LMS initiatives within the scope of the role, looks for opportunities to improve processes within team of or department through root cause problem solving, provides leadership coaching, technical procedure knowledge to service representatives relating to personalized auto policies, uh, participate in training our new service representatives through job shadowing, work review, and coaching and feedback. utilizes technical systems effectively and efficiently, including desktop call center, Pacific phone systems, and the internet. Supports and participates in office or department programs and contests. Performs additional duties as assigned. Now the salary range is 41,800 to 54,600 a year, which is an awesome salary to start, and it is full time. Now it has you would need high school diploma or GED. Now, you would come up here if you guys are interested in applying for the position, click here. And also, if you want to know more about the role, this video, which the representative tell me more about the training and licensing needed for this role. So you would just click here to to listen to the video. And to apply, you would come here, type in your email, then click here to acknowledge the next, and it will prompt you to apply for this position. Okay, guys, I'm going to leave the link in the description bar if you want to apply for this position. Any comments or questions, leave that below. And all right, guys, as always, I want to thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch this video, and good luck on your job search. Goodbye.